Horticultural oils work by suffocating soft-bodied pests and overwintering eggs when applied correctly. Use refined petroleum or plant-based oils at the label-specified concentration and follow the directions for mixing and coverage to ensure contact with pests and eggs. For winter applications, choose dormant oil formulas designed for cold season use and apply when trees are fully leafless and temperatures are above freezing to target scale insects and mite eggs without harming buds. For growing season, use summer oil at the lower labeled rate and spray late evening or early morning when temperatures are below 80 degrees Fahrenheit and plants are not water stressed to reduce phytotoxicity. Thorough coverage is essential, so spray until runoff on trunks, limbs, and the undersides of leaves for maximum egg and crawler contact, but avoid excess pooling. Shake or agitate the mixture during application to keep the oil emulsified and test a small area on a sensitive species before treating the whole plant to confirm tolerance. Store mixed spray only briefly and always label containers because oil emulsions can separate and lose effectiveness if left sitting. 3 common mistakes are using too high a concentration, spraying during heat or drought stress, and insufficient coverage. Using a higher than labeled concentration raises the risk of plant injury, so always measure and stick to the label instructions and rates. Spraying in hot weather or when plants are drought stressed causes leaf burn, so choose cool part of the day and water plants appropriately before treatment. Not covering all plant surfaces leaves many eggs and crawlers alive, so target trunks, limb crotches, branch unions, and the undersides of foliage and use multiple passes if canopy density prevents thorough wetting. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like pest control and tree care. We also host an active discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and compare local product results.